My name is Sabina Gude. I'm Director of Customer Experience and Product Management at seqWell. So ExpressPlex 2.0 is one of the fastest library preps on the market. It's also powered with our next generation transposase, TNX. It normalizes with DNA input ranges from 1 to 40 nanograms. It has a single thermocycling incubation that barcodes, amplifies, and does that normalization for even sequencing read outputs. So you just need to pool equal volume after that single bead incubation and proceed with a single bead purification per plate. So the turnaround time from sample to sequencer is just under 2 hours, and hands-on time is less than half an hour. For conventional library preps, they're far too cumbersome with a lot of individual steps. So there's an individual normalization of DNA input. You have to proceed with a lot of individual steps and individual incubations. You have to individually bead purify, sometimes twice. You have to individually quantitate. And finally, you have to individually pool with variable volumes. With ExpressPlex 2.0, now we're able to simplify the workflow tremendously. So you're able to do thousands of samples in a single day with one technician.